This is Rail Coach Factory, a production unit of Indian Railways with the capacity to manufacture 1,500 coaches of various types every year. The factory, with its township, sprawls in 1,200 acres of land, full of flowers and greenery all around at Kapurthala in Punjab. It was set up in 1987 with the objective of meeting the ever-increasing demand for rail transportation in India and to provide employment opportunities in this industrially backward area. Besides that, Indian Railways intended to upgrade its technology to contemporary world standards. For this, Indian Railways entered into a contract with Alstom LHB Germany. Rail Coach Factory had undertaken the task of developing and manufacturing modern high-speed railway carriages under this agreement, which envisaged transfer of technology in design, manufacture and maintenance engineering. As a result of world-class technology, Rail Coach Factory has transformed Indian Railways by introducing modern, high-speed, lightweight coaches. Bogie design is key to high speed and ride comfort of coaches. Bogies of Fiat design from Switzerland are now being manufactured at Rail Coach Factory. These have been designed for a test speed of 180 km per hour and can be upgraded for a speed of 200 km with minor modifications. Rail Coach Factory now has capabilities to make Eurofema-designed bogies as per international standards. The new design coaches are being used for high-end Rajdhani and Shatabdi trains of Indian Railways. The attractive and appealing exterior design sets new standards. Rajdhani trains are provided with air-conditioned first-class 2-tier sleeper, 3-tier sleeper, hot buffet coach and generator cars, whereas Shatabdi trains have chair car configuration. Superior features of these coaches are higher carrying capacity, reduction in weight, higher speed, superior ride quality, sound insulation, AC humidity control, controlled discharge toilet system which opens up only when the trains pick up a certain speed, so that tracks on stations remain clean. Rail Coach Factory Kapurthala has a strong tradition of innovations and developing new products. Many new developments on coaching stock have taken place in Rail Coach Factory, such as AC 3-tier coaches for the benefits of long-distance passengers at a lower cost, roof-mounted AC package unit which is more efficient, reliable and easy to maintain. In order to bring AC travel within the reach of common man, fully AC sleeper trains with higher capacity have been introduced, reducing the travel cost by another 40%. The foundation stone for the coach factory at Kapurthala was laid on 17th August 1985. Within 2 years, manufacture of coaches started and the first coach was rolled out on 31st of March 1988. In 2 decades, Rail Coach Factory has made a niche in the industry and served the Indian Railways by meeting more than the desired objectives. Half of the 40,000 coaches running on IR have been turned out from Rail Coach Factory, establishing it as one of the largest coach manufacturing units of the world. The innovations at Rail Coach Factory are undertaken at the Advanced Computer Aided Design Center. Rail Coach Factory has developed into a center of excellence in design and development. The new designs undergo FEM analysis, study of vehicle dynamics, and lot of simulations before taking a physical shape. Thrust is directed towards cost reduction, improvement in passenger amenities, comfort, safety of operations, and reliability of equipment. Aesthetics form an integral part of all new designs, which is perceived using advanced rendering software. After finalizing, the designs are sent for process planning and procurement of quality components. Raw material, which comes in the shape of coils, is converted into sheets on cut-to-length line and shearing center. The sheets are sent for profile cutting on laser and plasma profile cutting machines. 1,000-ton hydraulic presses and liner press brakes of various capacities are installed to manufacture window blanking, car line, etc. Laser cutting and welding machines are used for manufacturing of side walls, followed by a robotic spot welding. The coach shell is assembled on the shear jig, and complete manufacture of shell right from raw material to coach shell is under one roof, about 1 kilometer long. The shells undergo skin tensioning process to make the surface free of wrinkles before sending for painting. There is smooth and fast flow of production process. Rail Coach Factory has a large machine shop with number of CNC machining centers to carry out all types of sophisticated machining jobs required for components and assemblies. Bogies are manufactured by using underwater plasma cutting machines and 6-axis robotic welding machine. Utmost safety precautions are taken and welding joints are tested by radiography to detect any flaw. Bogies are also subjected to static load testing before fitment under a coach. The shell undergoes garnet blasting in a robotic plant for preparing them for quality painting. The cycle is completed in automated painting booths. A large pool of highly skilled manpower exists for all kinds of interior furnishing activities, where the coaches are furnished for all kinds of customer requirements. All the inputs required for manufacturing the coaches undergo vigorous quality checks in its NABL accredited testing laboratory. The product undergoes different types of checks at different stages of manufacturing before its final testing. The final product is delivered to the customer duly certified on all the parameters. Safety standards are given utmost importance and strict process control is exercised even for the suppliers of parts and sub-assemblies. Rail Coach Factory is committed to achieve excellence in design, development, manufacture, installation and commissioning of railway coaches with a view to ensure continued satisfaction at competitive costs. Rail Coach Factory manufactures special purpose coaches as per customer requirement. The other variety of coaches manufactured by Rail Coach Factory are postal vans, high-capacity parcel vans, refrigerated vans, AC coaches for defense personnel, and many more. Almost all coaches running in prestigious Rajdhani and Shatabdi trains are Rail Coach Factory built and are a source of immense satisfaction to passengers. Adding one more feather in its cap, Rail Coach Factory is the first one to manufacture the diesel multiple unit for meter gauge sections. Rail Coach Factory also manufactures meter gauge coaches for export, which are now running in many African and Asian countries. AC day coaches and AC sleeper coaches for Senegal, restaurant cars for Mali, chair cars for Myanmar Railways. In addition, Rail Coach Factory has manufactured world's largest exhibition train furnished on different themes of science in association of Max Planck Society of Germany.
Kalka Shatabdi Express, I think, is one of the most comfortable journey I feel. I travel very often up and down from Simla to Delhi, and I think even up to Kalka is very, very nice, very comfortable. And secondly, which I like most is now we are so used to it. I find it more convenient than even air journey.
I think it's very comfortable and the drive is also it's very good. So it's totally a good experience. The food, everything's good.
Very spacious, comfortable coach. The seats are very comfortable. It seems to be, because of the big windows, it seems to be very airy. Lots of light coming in. So definitely, the travelling is a much better experience vis-a-vis the other old coaches we were used to.
We've had a really pleasant journey. It's been really spacious. The food's been really nice, and all the service has been lovely. We had a really good time, haven't we? It's been lovely. We've had some really nice scenery. It's been the first time we visited India, so it's been really good.
With this guiding light, Rail Coach Factory has implemented internationally acclaimed certification for ISO 9001 Quality Management System and ISO 18001 for Occupational Health and Safety. Besides ISO 14001 certificate for environment management, Rail Coach Factory has been bestowed upon Green Tech Environment Excellence Award and Golden Peacock Awards for eco-innovations in environment management through its products and processes. Rail Coach Factory is really on the fast track. Within a short span, RCF has manufactured half of the coaches running on the Indian Railways. RCF offers tailor-made solutions suited for any transport requirements across the globe. It has already executed various export orders for bogies, meter gauge coaches and meter gauge diesel multiple units. Rail Coach Factory is meeting today's demands. Customers reposing their trust in RCF can be rest assured of getting the most contemporary, reliable and best value product. It's not only futuristic, it believes in flexibility, safety and economy, and above all, the quality of its products. Rail Coach Factory will never belie your trust.